Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about what we did over the weekend. Let's start with you, Sarah. Can you tell us about your weekend?
Good morning. Sure, I had a nice weekend. On Saturday morning, I went to the zoo with my family. We saw so many animals. My favorite was the giraffe.
That sounds fun, Sarah. What did you do on Saturday afternoon?
In the afternoon, I went to my friend's house. We played video games and had a lot of fun.
Great. How about Sunday? What did you do in the morning?
On Sunday morning, I helped my mom bake cookies. It was really nice, and the cookies were delicious.
Wonderful, Sarah. Now let's hear from David. David, what did you do over the weekend?
Hi, my weekend was good too. On Saturday morning, I went to a soccer game with my dad. My favorite team won.
That's exciting, David. What did you do on Saturday afternoon?
In the afternoon, I went to the park with my friends. We played soccer and then had ice cream.
Sounds like a lot of fun. What about Sunday?
On Sunday morning, I had a piano lesson. After that, I did my homework. In the afternoon, I watched a movie with my family.
Very nice, David. Okay, now it's your turn, Emily. Tell us about your weekend.
Good morning. My weekend was busy. On Saturday morning, I went to my dance class. We're learning a new routine for a show.
That's exciting, Emily. What did you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I went shopping with my mom. We bought new clothes for the summer.
Sounds like you had a great time. How about Sunday?
On Sunday morning, I went to the library to study. I had a big test coming up. In the afternoon, I visited my grandparents. We had a nice lunch together.
Lovely, Emily. Now, let's hear from Anna. Anna, what did you do over the weekend?
Hi, my weekend was good. On Saturday morning, I went fishing with my uncle. We caught a big fish.
That's awesome, Anna. What did you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I went to a birthday party. It was my cousin's birthday. We had cake and played games.
Sounds like a lot of fun. How about Sunday?
On Sunday morning, I went for a bike ride with my friends. In the afternoon, I did some drawing. I like to draw pictures of animals.
Very nice, Anna. It sounds like everyone had a great weekend. Thank you all for sharing your stories. It's always interesting to hear what everyone has been up to. I hope you all enjoyed talking about your weekends. Now, let's move on to our next activity for the day.
Hi, how was your weekend?
Hi, it was pretty good, thanks. How about yours?
Mine was good too. So, what did you do on Saturday morning?
On Saturday morning, I went for a jog in the park. The weather was nice, so it felt really good. What about you?
I slept in a bit, then had a big breakfast. After that, I read a book for a while. It was very relaxing. What did you do around noon?
Around noon, I met up with a friend for lunch. We went to this new cafe that just opened up. The food was great. Did you have lunch at home?
No, I went out for lunch too. I tried a new sushi place downtown. It was delicious. How about the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I did some shopping. I needed a new pair of shoes. And I found a great deal. What did you do in the afternoon?
I decided to visit a museum. They had an interesting art exhibit. It was nice to spend a few hours there. What about your evening?
In the evening, I watched a movie at home. It was a comedy, and it made me laugh a lot. Did you do anything fun in the evening?
Yeah, I went out with some friends for dinner. We had a great time, and then we went to a nearby bar for some drinks. What about Sunday morning? Did you do anything special?
On Sunday morning, I went to the farmer's market. I love buying fresh fruits and vegetables. How was your Sunday morning?
I did some yoga at home, then had a light breakfast. It was a calm and peaceful morning. What did you do around noon on Sunday?
I had a family brunch. My parents came over and we cooked together. It was nice to spend time with them. Did you have brunch too?
Yes, but I went out again, this time to a small bistro near my place. The food was fantastic. How about Sunday afternoon?
I went for a hike in the nearby hills. It was tiring, but worth it. The view from the top was amazing. What did you do in the afternoon?
I visited a friend who lives nearby. We had tea and chatted for a few hours. It was good to catch up. How did you spend your Sunday evening?
I cooked dinner at home and watched some TV. It was a quiet end to the weekend. What about you?
I also had a quiet evening. I ordered some takeout and watched a documentary. It was a nice way to end the weekend.
It sounds like we both had a good mix of relaxation and fun.
Definitely. It's nice to have weekends like that.
Hi, everyone. How was your weekend?
Hi, Alex. My weekend was good. What about yours?
Mine was great. What did you do on Saturday, Lily?
On Saturday, I went to a cooking class. It was a fantastic experience. We learned how to make a variety of dishes.
That sounds nice, Lily. What did you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I went to a painting class. It was fun, and I painted a picture of a sunset. What about you, Sam? What did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday morning, I played basketball with my friends. We had a match at the park.
Did you win the match?
Yes, we did. It was a close game, but we won. In the afternoon, I helped my dad fix the car. It was interesting to learn about the engine. What about you, Alex?
On Saturday morning, I went hiking with my family. We went to the mountains. The view was amazing.
That sounds wonderful. What did you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I played video games. I got a new game, and it's really exciting. What about Sunday, Lily? What did you do?
On Sunday morning, I went to the beach. The weather was perfect, and I went swimming.
That sounds fun. What did you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I read a book. It was a mystery novel, and I couldn't put it down. How was your Sunday, Sam?
On Sunday morning, I went to the movies with my family. We watched a new animated film. It was very funny.
That's cool. What did you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I played chess with my brother. He's really good, but I won one game. What about you, Alex? What did you do on Sunday?
On Saturday morning, I took a boat trip. It was such a refreshing and enjoyable experience. We cruised along the coast.
That sounds exciting. What did you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I baked cookies with my mom. We made chocolate chip cookies, and they were delicious.
Yum! I love chocolate chip cookies.
Me too. It sounds like we all had a fun weekend.
Yes, it does. It's always nice to hear what everyone did.
Definitely. We should plan something together next weekend.
That's a great idea. Maybe we can go to the park or have a picnic.
I'd love that. Let's talk more about it later.
Sure, let's do that.
Sounds good. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. All right, see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, I tried to reach you on Saturday, but you didn't answer. Were you busy?
Yeah, I was busy.
What were you up to?
On Saturday morning, I did some gardening and made healthy snacks. In the afternoon, I made bubbles with my children and listened to the radio. On Sunday, I spent my time learning a foreign language. What about you? What did you do over the weekend?
On Saturday, I refreshed my walls with a new coat of paint and rearranged the furniture. It felt great to give the space a new look. On Sunday morning, I took an online course to learn something new. Then at noon, I made a homemade pizza. It was delicious and a fun way to end the weekend.
That sounds like a productive and enjoyable weekend.